So, okay, viewers, today we are going to connect with Ish Naram, who basically hailed from Sonipat and now currently doing his job in Delhi and is doing preparation of US CPA course with our institute. And first of all, I would like to introduce Ish Naram. So, tell something about you to us, Ish Naram. And especially when you decided to pursue the US CPA course, what all were the questions which were going in your head at that point of time? And how you decided our institute?
So okay, my name is Ish Naran. So I'm a working professional having close to 11 years of work experience. And I'm a BCom graduate with MBA, but there is one thing that I always miss, that I didn't go for my CA. And at times I wanted to go for CPA, but even CPA at that particular time, you need to go to US or Dubai to pursue the examination. So I was not comfortable at that particular time. But when I got to know that this is something that can be done from Delhi NCR as of now, and that is possible in India itself. So I started searching for it, which exact institute I should try for, and whether, because it's been long. I lastly studied in 2011 when I went for my diploma in IFRS, and post to that there was nothing that in terms of studies I could go for. So there was big questions in my mind, what exactly should be my approach, where exactly I should head for, which exact institute I should go for. Multiple institute I attended seminar with, and multiple questions were there. And then one day I was just searching the same on YouTube, and I got to know about AKPIS. And before that I was not knowing that. I immediately sent a message to sir, and that I remember that time it was night 2:30 when I sent that message, because I was just about I was about to sleep and I was searching for this stuff post my working hours, and I got to know that this is one of the institute that is offering CPA, and I like the concepts and everything. So I immediately dropped a message to Shami sir, and early in the morning I got a call from him. That was a Saturday morning. I got a call from him. I decided to meet him in person, and immediately I just drove to the institute. I decided to meet in person, but unfortunately at that particular time he was busy in one of his meeting in Gurgaon. We couldn't meet. In night again, I had a discussion with Shami sir, and I was given a fair idea how exactly this institute is helping people to pursue their CPA, and the mentorship batch where exactly person focus will be there. And because I was a kind of guy who didn't study for such a long period, for 10 years or 11 years. So there was a big dilemma in my mind also, whether I'll be able to crack it or not. So that is a kind of confidence I was lacking in. And what Shami sir did at that particular time, he told me that this is something you don't need to worry with. And we have our mentorship batch wherein there will be basic sessions also, wherein you grab the knowledge of the basic concepts. And that will be a kind of refresher. Then we'll go for the particular curriculum wherein you'll be getting end-to-end details, how exactly we need to crack, including MCQ simulations, everything will be taught to you. And at that particular time also, I was a bit nervous, but I decided that because I attended few of the other seminars or few of the other kind of stuff for other institute also. I won't name that, but then there was a clear comparison that this is something that I'm looking for, and this is something I should go for, because herein I'm getting personal attention. Herein things will be made in a way that I should understand that the personal attention will be there. So multiple factors were there which forced me to go for this institute itself. And today I feel very happy that my decision was quite good, because a few of my friends went for other institutes, and when I talk to them about the curriculum, how exactly they are proceeding, so I clearly see the difference, that this is something I have an upper edge on, and this is something I'm quite good with, that I have a personal attention of Shami sir. Anything and everything that is coming to my mind. Even sometimes it happens, I raise few questions to Shami sir, and that was night 12:30, and immediately we had a discussion with Shami sir. So that gives you a confidence. Yes, you are not the only one who is looking for the success of yours. There are a few other people who are parallelly working for you, and they are ready for you each and every day. So that was the thing. I went for this institute, and today also I feel very proud that although I didn't went for any, didn't through with any of my examination, I didn't attempt it anyone, but I feel very proud that this is something I'm on a right trajectory, and things are moving in a right direction.
So, Ishnaran, why do you think so that AKPS Institute should be the first choice, especially for the commerce graduates?
See, there are two types of students who go for CPA. The one is a commerce graduate, the other one are chartered accountant. Chartered accountants are normally, they have end-to-end knowledge of the concepts and everything that is being taught in CPA also. So for those people, even they can self-study, or different other kind of things can be done. But for a commerce graduate, because they are many of the concepts which like if I'll talk about the business combination, that is never a part of a BCom curriculum, although that is being taught in many other and a few of the other courses, but not a part of BCom curriculum. And such kind of concepts are not very known to the commerce graduate. When you are coming from such a background wherein your concepts are limited to few areas and you didn't explore multiple things into your career, then this institute can be one of the best choice. Why? Because firstly, they'll prepare you from the beginning. They won't ask you to prepare for the CPA curriculum instead. What they'll do, they'll ask you to refresh your basics, what you have studied earlier or what you're pursuing as of now. Also, they'll start from your basics. Once you're through with it, once your basics are strong, then they'll go with they'll go with the curriculum wherein they'll teach you about the concepts, and the space and the pace of the coaching is also as per the student itself. It is not so that we need to cover the course within a span of 3 months. A chartered accountant can easily go for within a 3 months he can cover end-to-end course. But if I'll talk about a person who is just a BCom graduate, he needs some space. He needs some space to revise. He needs some space to learn. He needs some space to understand what exactly is being taught in the class. And that is the thing that is good with this particular institute. They go with the space of the and the pace of the students also, that this is something that I'm feeling that I'm good with and this is the pace I require, and according to that they'll make their student understand. And in case I'm lacking in something, in case I didn't understand something, there is another option. I can go with once again I can attend the live classes for another batches also. So that is a kind of comfort that commerce graduate will get if they'll be pursuing their course with AKPIS.
So how would you relate the live classes of AKPS with the pre-recorded classes of some other institutes? Why you think that live classes are always the best?
See, live classes, first of all, they will be a personal touch. When you are attending something in a group of 5 to 6 with a teacher, there will be a personal touch. He'll be understanding which exact student has what caliber and what exact in-depth of topic I should go with. So in recorded classes, you don't have that, because recorded classes cover only a concept. They don't know what student are listening to it, what is the caliber of that particular student, whether he'll be able to make understand that particular subject or not. But this is not something in live classes happen. Live classes go with the scope, with the caliber of the student, and they'll give you the insight of the topic as per your understanding and in depth. So that is the difference. Recorded classes, anyone can go for it, but live classes, it will be as per your need, as per your caliber, and in a pace that you are looking for.
And what is the significance of solving doubts timely, which is always an initiative by our institute? Because if doubts get solved timely, that is always an advantage for the students.
So that is something I initially highlighted itself. So
right.
There was a chance, because that is something even I feel that this is something even my institute is standing in with me for making this course possible. So I raised few questions to Shami sir. He was busy in his live class at that particular time for another batch, but immediately he told me that we can connect in the evening. It means that was already evening 9 o'clock. We can connect late 11:30 or 12. Will that make sense to you? I said okay. And that particular time, I think we had a session of around 1 hour. 11:30 to 12:30, I was with Shami sir. And that gave me a sense this is something that anybody will appreciate. If somebody is beyond to his working hours, beyond to something he's committed for, if the person is investing more with you, so that will give you a personal sense also. Yes, this is something I was always looking for, and this is something whether I'll take another 1 month to get prepared, but yes, I have support from AKPIS, I have support from Shami sir, and that will make you feel good.
Right. And how will you comment on the personal counseling session, which is taken from time to time by Shami sir, wherein he, analyze your performance, which you, practice over a period of time. So what is the main role of, those counseling sessions?
So actually these counseling sessions channelize your energy to the right direction. Because I'll give my example itself. I was doing this course, my process of my strategy was quite different. But Shami sir reviewed that for my examinations, which I have given into the software and everything. He examines on frequent basis. And then he told me on one Sunday evening, and he told me this is something you are channelizing your energy in a wrong direction, and it will be a waste of time for 1 or 2 months if you will be going in this way itself. At that particular time, I understand, yes, this is something that is required, a personal mentorship, because otherwise I would have done that for a number of other months and the final result would have been different. which is neither my focus area or Shami's focus area. So we both wanted me to get success. So he directed me. He told me that this is something you're going in a wrong trajectory, and you need to focus your energy. You need to channelize your energy in this way. This is the process that you need to follow. These are the concepts you are good in. These are the concepts you need to work more on. So these kind of things worked a lot, and that is something even I have been experiencing as of now. That his direction at that particular time given to me was perfectly fine, and things are moving as per my expectation as well.
Right. So in many of the institutes, it is a general tendency as to students are not able to connect with the main faculty after the lectures, or if they have any query. So they're not able to connect with the main faculty. So here in our institute, you always have an accessibility to the main faculty, Shami sir. So how would you comment on this? How important is it actually for the students to connect with the faculty from time to time for all their queries? So how would you guide the viewers for this?
So this is the best part of AKPIS, if I would say, that you can connect with the faculty anytime. You can raise questions even in live session. Also, some do attend the questions post to live classes. Sometime in between the live sessions also. So this is the best part of AKPIS, which other lacks. So wheresoever you feel that this is something I'm not comfortable with, you can raise your hand, you can raise your question to Shami sir, you can email your question to Shami sir, and immediately next 24 hours, 48 hours, as per his availability, you'll get the solutions. You'll get a live mentor class wherein he'll help you to understand what exact thing I was or the person was lacking in understanding that particular concept and how to get that concept resolved. So that is the best part. In other institute, yes, I have attended few of the seminars also. So that is a kind of recorded lectures being given to you, or some live lectures wherein you can't put any question to them. Once the live lecture is being done for 8 hours or for 7 hours, then you need to revise that and post to that. If you have any doubt, you need to connect with the counselor, and even you are not sure, that will be get connected to that particular person itself who gave you the coaching, and that creates lots of gaps. What you have exactly learned from a person and who exactly is solving your answer, maybe two different person, and the understanding of two different person might different. So these kind of thing creates gap. But in AKPIS, that is not the scenario. You'll get to know from a faculty, and any doubt that you are suffering or you are facing during your studies, he'll solve immediately as per your or his convenient time. But you'll get, this is the best part, if I would say, that AKPIS as of now.
Right. And along with the live classes, you also give the facility of the recorded backup of those live classes, which you can view n number of times for the purpose of revision and make the notes even thereafter. So the next question which I would like to ask from you is that, so how would you, rate AKPS on a scale of 10 when it comes to rating?
I would even love to give 11 in that way, because seriously, I'm a kind of student who always studied with some kind of teachers. I feel my teachers as a guru instead of a teacher. Instead of paying something to as a money to the teacher, it is not my philosophy. If I'm learning with my teacher, he is a kind of guru to me who's giving me education. And with this personal touch, I always studied with Shami sir, and personal guidance and everything was there. So I would love to get even 11, 12, 15, anything out of it. But it is one of the best institute, I could say. And my decision means I always appreciate my decision that I didn't went for any of the other institute, and this is the institute one I spend money and I'm getting the results also.
Right. Thank you so much for your feedback, Ishnaran.